Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make a yummy pizza. So the ingredients for this are peppers, sugar, yeast, extra virgin olive oil, salt. Okay, we need all-purpose flour. We used all-purpose flour, but you can also use wheat flour. And then we need mortadella. I mean, you can use anything. You can use chicken or mushroom, that's your choice. But we chose mortadella. Then we need black olives. And then we need green olives. And then we also need the most important part, the pizza sauce. Now let's begin. First we need to put 3 cups of flour, and then you can see this is 1 tablespoon. Then we need to add 4 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon yeast. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon salt. And then we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then we are gonna knead the dough. And then we need to add 1 cup of warm water. It could be less or more depending. And I used a dough maker because I have been using it like this since before, but you can normally knead the dough like how you do all the time with your hands. Okay, I think now it's done. Now I will be kneading it more. Now I'll be adding a little bit more olive oil, which is around 1 teaspoon. This is just to prevent it from getting a lot sticky. Now I'll be taking all the dough which is surrounding the utensil. Okay, now it's done. As you can see, I have completely taken the dough off the utensil. You may get this consistency. It should be smooth. And the stickiness should be gone. There should not be any stickiness. That's how the consistency of the dough should be. Like this. Perfect. It should be really smooth. As you can see, that's how it should be. Now we'll be covering it for 20 to 30 minutes like this. And now till then we will be slicing the peppers. Okay, now it's time. Now I'm gonna remove the lid and show you. See, it dries right now. It should be puffy like this. Oh, it got a little sticky, but I'll be cleaning that. Yes. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this tray. I chose a big tray because I don't want to make it separately. And I want to make everything at once. So now I'm just gonna brush the tray with some olive oil. I'm gonna brush it thoroughly. All the corners, the center, everywhere should be brushed thoroughly. And now I'm gonna put the dough on the tray and I'm going to spread it so that it will cover the tray properly. Like this. And now once it's properly done, I'll be poking some holes into it with this fork. This will allow the crust to be crispy and well done. You can randomly poke holes anywhere. I am making a thick crust pizza, but if you would like thin crust, you can make a thin crust pizza. Now we should add toppings like tomato sauce and some of these toppings like olives. We took black and green olives and onions, half cup each, and then mozzarella and some mozzarella. And now we have sliced all the peppers, each half cup. They're green, red and yellow. And now we are also going to add some hot sauce. This is totally optional. You can add hot sauce if you like spicy. I like it, so I'm gonna put hot sauce. Now I'm going to put the tomato sauce and I'm going to brush it on the pizza. It should be brushed evenly and nicely. I'm gonna be adding a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna add some shredded mozzarella cheese. I like cheesy pizza, so I'm gonna add a lot of mozzarella. Like that. It's perfect for me now. Now, let's just prepare the oven. I'm gonna set it to 180 degrees Celsius and I'm gonna put it on preheat for 10 minutes with the upper and lower heating on. Now, till that's heating, I'll be going back to the pizza. Now I'm gonna add some hot sauce. Remember, it's only your choice. Now I'm going to add some peppers. I'm gonna randomly put peppers. I really hope they're gonna like the pizza. If you do not want to make large pizzas like this, you can also make the smaller ones, like the round shaped ones, and you can keep them in the oven. The procedure is same, just the size is small. Now, once that's done, I'm going to add some olives and onions. And now I'm gonna add green olives. Now you think that we are adding a lot of toppings, but for us this is okay and this is great. If you want to add less, you can add less or more according to your preference. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit more cheese from the top so that this will hold on all the toppings in one place. Now I'm gonna add mortadella. I'll just make them into pieces, each mortadella 4 pieces. Now I'm gonna add some more hot sauce. And this is how it looks right now. It's really vibrant and beautiful looking. Now let's carefully place it in the oven. Now since the oven is preheated for 10 minutes, it will be ready to bake the pizza perfectly. Now you can bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. And our oven is gonna take 25 minutes, so I'll be setting it to 25 minutes. Now I'm gonna check it after 25 minutes. Okay, it's been 25 minutes now. And wow, it's perfect. It looks really delicious.